Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product we discovered that's perfect for anyone who values crystal clear vision and wants to keep their eyewear in pristine condition. We found the Costa Del Mar cleaning kit, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Costa Del Mar cleaning kit? This essential lens cleaner comes in a convenient 1-ounce bottle, designed specifically to keep your sunglasses and other eyewear free from smudges, dirt, and grime. It's compact and portable, making it easy to toss in your bag or glove compartment for on-the-go cleaning. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. First off, the cleaning solution is non-toxic and safe for all lens types, including polarized and prescription lenses. This is a huge plus, as it means you can use it without worrying about damaging your eyewear. The kit also includes a microfiber cloth, which is soft and gentle on lenses, ensuring that you won't leave any scratches while cleaning. The cloth is also reusable and machine washable, making it an eco-friendly option. Who is this cleaning kit suitable for? Well, if you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves activities like fishing, hiking, or skiing, clear vision is crucial, and this kit will help maintain the condition of your sunglasses. It's also perfect for everyday users, whether you're commuting to work, enjoying a day at the beach, or simply running errands. Keeping your lenses clean can significantly enhance your visual experience. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're out on the water, and the sun is shining brightly. You reach for your sunglasses, but they're smudged from your last use. With the Costa Del Mar cleaning kit, you can quickly pull out the cleaning solution and microfiber cloth to wipe them down, ensuring you have a clear view of your surroundings. Or perhaps you're on a hiking trail, and dust and sweat have accumulated on your lenses. A quick clean with this kit allows you to stay focused on the beautiful scenery ahead without any distractions. In addition to outdoor activities, this cleaning kit is also great for everyday life. Whether you're at the office and need to clean your reading glasses or just want to keep your fashionable eyewear spotless, this kit is a handy tool to have. Its compact size means you can easily bring it along wherever you go, ensuring that you'll always be prepared for any cleaning emergencies. In conclusion, the Costa Del Mar cleaning kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their eyewear in excellent condition. With its safe cleaning solution, reusable microfiber cloth, and portability, it's designed for both outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.